How you can place a video under another video in CapCut. CapCut does not give any option to place videos under the other video. So what if you put a video or photo in the background of this video? Let's sort out this issue. So for doing so, you have to tap on this overlay button and tap on add overlay, and your gallery will be opened where all of your videos will start displaying. You have to select the video that you want to place under that video and tap on this add button. And here you can see that I'm able to see another video under the timeline of that particular video which was already added, but there is still a problem. The video has been placed under the video that was present before, but it is still displaying above that. So what if you want to display this video at the back of the video that was already present? The solution is a bit different. For that purpose, you have to delete this overlay and delete this video which is already present as well. And after that, you have to tap on this plus button, and now you have to first add that video that you want to place at the background. And after selecting it, tap on add button, and after that go to the overlay section again and tap on add overlay button again. Now select the video that you want to place upward, and after selecting it, tap on this add button. And now you can see that even if my video is displaying under that video on the timeline, but it is still displaying at the top. And now if I want to add another video at the top of it, you have to tap again on this add overlay button, select the second video and tap on this add button again. And now I have two videos. I want to arrange their order, and I want this newly added video to display at the back. You have to select this video and scroll through the options, and you will see an option named layers available here. And now you can select whether you want to display this video at the top or at the back. Just after adjusting their order, tap on this check mark and your changes will be applied. So that's how you place more videos under another videos in CapCut. Thank you so much.